Congratulations to Man U. This signing, they're a very good signing for us, because he go add a very good thing for that midfield. It can't be Tielemans, way way good for Aston Villa. I think it go really help us for Manchester United.
Tielemans na Premier League proven.
Uh,
He don't dey play
and he
Premier
don't
League
get
since.
experience for Premier League also.
But but I no go accept this year we go till Aston Villa go agree say he don't come out because no be wetin do for Ederson.
No,
Ederson no post here we go later
that's on
he no
medical
come.
sir. But we believe say he go come Man U
Normally Tielemans na very good midfielder,
play.
a very deep line playmaking
Yeah,
midfielder because in dey always play better pass. If you
as
give am
well.
chance near post,
As I bust 18,
yeah, if you give am so now okay, with the signing of Tielemans now, how you go think say una midfield go be?
with Telemans, I think Bruno with Telemans go dey okay for that
And who
midfield.
again go join
With
them to make it
that we still dey check, but no that Santos will come
Hey!
add for the midfield, may or if Telemans go fit dey play defensive midfield, but
No, Tielemans no be
but
defensive
no be
midfielder.
in wing be that. But we just believe say maybe Santos will sign if he do well, if he try for that midfield. But I believe say the Santos will buy no go be Mount will buy from Chelsea.
When I just dey scam una sef. But
No be
that one concern now when season start.
say
It's a very good signing from Manchester United.
better signing for us,
But
but we look forward. We will know whether we go see another midfielder where where they go add to am.
you know
We
say
go feel be our defensive
you know
midfielder.
say many Man U signing they fit dey ball from there, but once they come Man U they go
Now
flop. But
I
we'll just see how the season starts.
but the way where our system done dey na Carrick dey manage our football now, so no be Amorim.
It's a very
So
good signing, and it's for a very small money, 35 million release clause.
that's
So
all.
it's a very
Now may
good
season
signing.
start, may we begin dey watch Carrick football.
Ah,
May
normally
may
season start. We go see trash now.
may we dey watch entertaining
We go see
football.
trash now.
May we watch entertaining football. Say may this World Cup do finish, may season start.
Well,
So we go enjoy football.
may we wa-
But good signing to us, we believe say next season we go do better than last season. No
Nah.
say last season na third position we dey, but next season we dey go for the first position.
Now very good signing for
But
Manchester United. But may we watch out of the season. May we see how
yeah,
all their signings go play
yeah.
out.
Thank you.